How can you make your liver healthy again? Well, here are a few examples. Maintain a healthy weight. Eat a balanced diet. Exercise regularly. Avoid toxins. Use alcohol responsibly. Avoid the use of illicit drugs. Avoid contaminated needles. Get medical care if you're exposed to blood. Drink lots of water. What will happen if you should start drinking enough water? Well, you'll feel less hungry and may even lose some weight. You'll probably experience more comfortable digestion, less heartburn. Your bowel movements might be easier and more regular. Your teeth and gums will be healthier and more resilient.